Hey there, politics enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the journey of the 46th President of the United States, Joe Biden. From his early days to the Oval Office, it's been a ride full of ups and downs. Joe Biden was born in Scranton, Pennsylvania in 1942. He grew up in a working-class family and faced numerous challenges early on, including a severe stutter. But he overcame it, a testament to his resilience. Fast forward to 1972, Biden was elected as one of the youngest senators in U.S. history. But just weeks after his victory, tragedy struck. His wife and daughter were killed in a car accident. Biden nearly gave up his political career, but he pushed through for his two sons. Throughout the years, Biden made a name for himself as a champion of the working class. Whether it was advocating for crime bills in the 90s or leading foreign policy discussions as vice president under Obama, Biden was always in the thick of it. In 2020, at the age of 77, he took on the ultimate challenge, running for president. Amidst a global pandemic and a nation divided, Biden's message of unity resonated. His campaign was built on restoring the soul of America, and he won with the highest number of votes ever cast in a U.S. election. But the journey didn't end with his election. Biden's presidency has faced numerous hurdles, from handling COVID-19 to tackling climate change and navigating international relations. Despite the challenges, he has remained committed to his vision for America. Joe Biden's story is one of perseverance, loss, and ultimate triumph. It reminds us that no matter how tough the journey gets, resilience and determination can lead to greatness. So next time you think about the challenges you're facing, remember Joe Biden's journey. It's proof that with the right mindset, you can overcome anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of politics. Until next time.
VIP lights go out today. Be in sunshine.